This customer behind me decided to do geothermal for their heating and cooling. A lot of people don't know anything about geothermal, but what they're doing behind me now is they're drilling in the ground 300 feet down, and they're installing a water pipe that'll flow all the way down and come back up. And that water will then flow into the home into a geothermal heat pump. And the reason why they're drilling is it gives us a nice clean hole to put that pipe in, and then that's where we transfer the heat. So we pull heat out of the ground for the winter time, and then we transfer heat to the ground in the summertime. So there's no outdoor equipment, nothing to hide, everything is inside the home. And the benefit is this system is about 4 times as efficient as your normal heat and air system. Also, your lifespan is about 3 times as long as your normal heat and air unit. And there's currently a 26% tax credit on that entire system they're installing. So all the benefits add up to a more efficient system. If you're gonna live in the home for more than 10 years, it's an easy payback.